Welcome.
Hello!
Now you can see the high and the low. It was 39 degrees in here last night. Right now it's 94. It's quite a swing on temperature. Well, the snow's all gone. It's really warm in here. You saw the thermometer right there. It's really warm in here today. I'm going to water this a little bit later on. Make sure it looks like it's got a lot of moisture, but I'm going to water it anyway. And I'm going to do a canning video today. Somebody gave me a bag of potatoes. I'm going to do a canning video. Not a how-to video. No how-to videos from me. Plenty of people out there making how-to videos on canning. I'm just going to can them up because I like canned potatoes. This time I'm not peeling them. I'm just going to cut them up. I only have a 5-pound bag, so it's not going to make very many jars. I'm going to put them in pints rather than quarts. And we'll see how that goes. Here we go. Wash the jars in the dishwasher. Put it on sanitize mode. Well, there you have it. They're all cooled off the next morning, ready to put on the shelf. There's the train right there. And right above it's the pantry. There's the potatoes right there and right there. Well, fellas, you know how you can tell if your wife loves you or not? Check this out. My wife went to Walmart and came home with 300 shotgun shells for me. They're target clays. We shoot target clays off our back deck here on the ranch for fun. And I'm gonna have me some fun with this. There you go. John 3:17, for God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that the world through him might be saved. Amen.